Hello, so here I am in the class 4D, and what I'm looking for is the brand new assignment. Unfortunately, I can't see it here because this is the student view, but I do have the link. So you'll find the new assignment right under here under writing. And what you need to do is click on the link that will be there, and that link will take you here to the Quizlet, and this is it here, and it will ask you to sign up for free access. So go ahead and fill all this in if you like, or you can just continue with Google, which is what I'm going to do. It'll make it easier for me. I select the account. And of course it wants to know my birthday. Yeah, let's leave this as a student account. We don't want to do that. We just want to go into the classroom again. So let me continue on to the free version. And what I want to do next is join the class. And there I am. I'm in the classroom. Then I want to go out and try out the vocabulary sets. So I can do them in order, 1, 2, and 3, or I can start at 3 and do 3, 2, 1, or 3, 1, 2, or 2, 1, 3. Whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter. You need to complete each set. Once you've completed each set, let's open one and let's have a look what it looks like. So these are the flashcards, which are the study cards. So you can see the word, click the card to see the definition. Alright, let's go to the next one. Word, definition. Next one, word, definition, and so on. Then we want to do either learn, write, spell, and test ourselves. And once we've done all of these, we can play match or gravity. Let's play gravity and show you what that looks like. I made a mistake. I was drawing to. Okay, next one. And you get the understanding of that then. Anyway, there's your score level. And let's just go back and see what happens now. If I go down, I can see my stats. There they are there. Okay. What you need to do is get these stats printed out or turn them into here. I think you can print scores. There. That's what you need to do. When you get your scores, take a screenshot of that and add it to your classroom assignment. That should be quite easy. So let's go, and you can do all of these for each one. Once you've done that, I should be able to see in the classroom what you've done. Okay, that's it from me. Enjoy Quizlet. Remember to go back to the classroom and insert it in the submit section. Thanks for watching. See you soon.